Is it time to buy or sell Twilio stock? In this video, we will explore Twilio in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 7th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Twilio as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.91. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently positioned within a robust and upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth. The present 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 14.21% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 10.42% to 26.62%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of about 51.26%. According to our estimates, the stock's performance could vary between 23.54% and 122.77% over the coming year. This translates to a future price estimate between $151.20 and $272.64. Our latest daily update for Twilio includes the headline, Significant Movements in Twilio's Stock Price on Thursday, fluctuating 11.12% between high and low. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, the Twilio stock price decreased by 6.01%, dropping from $130.22 to $122.39. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 11.12%, ranging from a low of $119.14 to a high of $132.39. The stock has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, totaling a decrease of 7.05% during this period. There was an increase in trading volume on the last day, with 4 million shares traded, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk in the coming days. In total, 6 million shares were exchanged for an approximate value of $783,090,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $151.95, while the lowest was $56.85. Currently, the price stands 19.45% or $29.56 below the 52-week high, and 73.24% or $334.91 below the all-time high of $457.30, which was recorded on the 18th of February, 2021. Twilio has reported a strong second quarter for the fiscal year 2025, with revenue of $1,230 million, exceeding expectations by 3.5%. This has boosted non-GAAP earnings per share to $1.19, significantly ahead of forecasts. This impressive financial performance is likely to bolster investor confidence in the short term, potentially driving the stock price higher as analysts respond positively to the earnings beat. Furthermore, the integration of artificial intelligence into Twilio's operations is expected to enhance customer engagement and position the company favorably against competitors. The recent recognition as a leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for Communications Platform as a Service reinforces its standing in the industry and could attract new clients, subsequently supporting long-term growth projections. The new CEO's focus on cost discipline has improved free cash flow margins, allowing for considerable share repurchases. This strategic move, coupled with anticipated market growth in communication services powered by artificial intelligence and digital transformation, suggests a positive outlook for Twilio in both the short and long term. With this momentum, the stock could see increased valuations as it continues to expand its market presence, making it a compelling investment opportunity. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TWLO an overweight rating, along with a hold action. On Sunday, the 15th of June, 2025, Jefferies reported a hold rating for TWLO, accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, HSBC assigned TWLO a hold rating with an upgrade action. On Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, Piper Sandler once again rated TWLO as overweight with a hold action. On the same day, Jefferies also issued a hold rating for TWLO with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Twilio stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Twilio. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The Twilio stock presents sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. During upward corrections, resistance will be encountered at $126.24 and $123.92. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 23, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 7.77%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, commonly known as MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicates a sell signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. Short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe short moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 62 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 49 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Twilio. Twilio finds support from accumulated volume at $122.16. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with healthy trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $13.25 between its high and low, which is approximately 11.12%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 5.02%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Twilio, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or incurring losses. While even well-established companies can face downturns due to external factors, consistently negative PE ratios can suggest ongoing profitability issues and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts project consensus estimates of $1.02. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Twilio. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Twilio is at $126.16. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Twilio faces its first support level at $122.16. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Twilio from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On July 3, 2025, Vigiano Aiden executed an insider sale of 5,605 shares of Class A common stock, On July 3rd, 2025, Vigiano Aiden executed another insider sale of 2,639 shares of Class A common stock. On July 3rd, 2025, Vigiano Aiden also executed an insider sale of 53 shares of Class A common stock. On July 3rd, 2025, Ship Chandler Kozima conducted an insider sale of 8,993 shares of Class A common stock. On July 3rd, 2025, Ship Chandler Kozima executed another insider sale of 4,568 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 26.416. In total, insiders purchased 117,804 shares while selling 208,976 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Twilio stock a good buy? The Twilio stock shows several negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Twilio will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical indicators, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a sell candidate since our last assessment. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 8th of August, we expect Twilio to open higher by $2.25 and begin trading at $124.64. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. It is important not to base your investment choices on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.